Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can add GIF comments to Instagram independently on iPhone or on Android. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments. Let's get you and me started. So, first of all, you and I are going to open the Instagram app. If we find a post here that we want to leave a comment on, then we'll see a second icon at the bottom. This is comments. And here in the line at the end, we'll see a sign like this. If we click on that, we'll have a choice at the bottom. We can either leave comments in the form of our Instagram emoji, and we can choose one of those. For example, or we can choose a GIF. There's a very large number of them here, and you can choose absolutely any one that you like. Or you can enter a word in the search box that will be associated with that GIF, so that you can put it in their comments. And so I typed in the word love. And there are very many, as you can see, different GIFs to put in their comments. If I choose one of the GIF, then, as you can see, I now have it in the comment underneath someone's post. This is how you can put a GIF in someone's Instagram comment under their post, whether you have an iPhone or an Android. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you later.